Pool Payday, Pool Cash, Speed Pool, Pool Clash, and Billiards Cash all offer free matches alongside cash competitions through skills, so beginners can practice before entering a paid match. By the end, you'll know which 5 pool games are easiest to start with, how the free and cash modes work, and what to check before putting any money into the app. Number 5 is Billiards Cash. The game offers free matches, cash matches, and real-world prizes through Skillsite. For a beginner, the free mode is the useful starting point, because you can learn the controls and scoring without immediately entering a cash competition. Number 4 is Pool Clash. This 8-ball game also separates free matches from cash matches. The format is straightforward, so you can practice your shots and learn the table mechanics before considering a paid match. Number 3 is Speed Pool. Speed Pool adds a time pressure element to standard pool and offers both free and cash matches through Skills.die. If you're already comfortable with pool controls, this format can be easier to understand than games with more complicated rules. Number 2 is Pool Cash. Its skills listing includes free matches, cash matches, and real-world prizes. That combination makes it a practical beginner option because you can start with free play and move to cash competition only after you've learned how the game works. Number 1 is Pool Payday. It offers free matches, cash matches, and real-world prizes through Skills. The free mode gives beginners a way to learn the game before deciding whether cash competition is worth trying. There is one detail beginners should understand before depositing. A free match is not the same thing as a cash match. Skills treats cash competitions separately, and eligibility depends on factors such as your age and location. Being able to download the game does not automatically mean you can enter cash tournaments. You should also check the withdrawal rules before assuming your winnings can be transferred immediately. Skills says cash withdrawals can be subject to processing requirements, and its terms state that withdrawals under $10 can have a processing fee of up to $2. So the 5 beginner-friendly options are Billiards Cash, Pool Clash, Speed Pool, Pool Cash, and Pool Payday. Start with the free matches, learn the controls, and check the cash section to confirm that real money play is available for your account and location. Only deposit after you've checked the current entry fees, withdrawal requirements, and eligibility rules. If you want more real money game rankings for beginners, like the video and subscribe.